Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to delete Audiomack account. It's very easy, so let's get started. And the first step to take guys is to open your Audiomack application. Right, so you can either do this or the Audiomack application or the Audiomack creators application. Alright, so it's very easy on both sides. So the next thing you have to do once you open your Audiomack application or your creators application is to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you are going to see the delete account option in the account section. Alright, so click on delete account, and then you have to enter your password right here and click on delete. Just like that guys, very easy. Right, so these are you actually delete your Audiomack account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.